Introduction. Founded in 1937, Toyota is the one of the largest automobile producers globally, renowned for its innovative quality and efficient manufacturing process, with headquarters in Toyota City, Japan, and operation worldwide. KM, which involve systematically capturing, sharing, and using knowledge, is important for Toyota to stay competitive in the fast-changing automobile industry marked by evolving technologies and customer demands. Central to Toyota KM strategy is the TPS frameworks. TPS stands for Toyota Production System, which emphasizes efficiency, waste reduction, and continuous improvements. Kaizens, empowering employers at all levels.
Milestone of Toyota Motors. Toyota Motor Corporation is deeply rooted in effective management and application of knowledge. In order to get this achievement, they had to face so many challenges and opportunities through the years. Introduction of lean manufacturing. In the mid of 20th century, this lean manufacturing has become a Toyota production system core and led the automotive sector to complete reconsider waste, resource, and continuous improvement in all its process. This system has two basic principles, which is just in time to produce, deliver material only when they are need, and Jidoka, which is means automation with a human touch. This Toyota production system is not just a methodology, but also a knowledge sharing. Toyota production system also use the employee empowerment and service scheme, such as this worker were trained in observing inefficiency, suggesting enhancement, and implementing them into the work. Establishment of the Toyota Technical Development Corporation. In 1916, Toyota have established a Toyota Technical Development Corporation. This corporation has ensured the crucial knowledge, especially from the engineer that had worked hard to write down as well documented. This became the main reason why Toyota has able to keep their quality and have been grown out to the worldwide. This department also act as a center for research and development. They are also able to work with different departments and factories could work together. Kaizen and the suggestion system. In 1917, Toyota has established a formal system which is staff could put forward their idea and opportunity to suggest a better way of doing process and services. By creating a clear system for gathering, reviewing, and putting into action suggestion, Toyota has mobilized the knowledge of all its workers. This system have been able to produce a better product and help them to save time and money in making this product.
The next milestone of Toyota Motors is adoption of digital tools from 1990 to 2000. Toyota began using enterprise resources planning (ERP) to improve communication throughout its global network. Simulation tools, digital modeling, and the use of ERP system had been applied to enhance factory layouts and production processes. This digital knowledge management tools enable the company to identify problems, lower costs, and be nimble in its work. The fifth milestone of Toyota Motors is launch of the Knowledge Management Global Network in 2010, an online tool meant to assist employees in working together from anywhere around the world. This tool allowed Toyota to share good methods, technical skill, and lessons learned from various factories right away. The global network helped the engineers and researchers from Japan, Europe, and North America led to the successful launch of the Prius and other hybrid models. The last milestone of Toyota Motors is advancing sustainable and smart mobility in 2020. Respond to newly arising trends and challenges within the automotive industry. Development of hydrogen fuel cell technology found in the Toyota Mirai attests to the ability of Toyota to integrate knowledge from diverse scientific fields. Toyota has adopted artificial intelligence (AI) and the Internet of Things (IoT). There are 6 success factors in knowledge management of Toyota Motors. The first one is organizational culture. Organizational culture encourage learning, teamwork, and respect for people, allowing employees at all levels to help meet the organization's goal. The company's ideas of Genchi Genbutsu, go and see for yourself, it also humility and an attitude that learns from failure to improve in the future. This cultural foundation blends very well with the concept of KM. The second success factor of knowledge management in Toyota Motors is focus on Kaizen, continuous improvement, which is Toyota's suggestion system empowers employees to propose improvement, reinforcing the importance of bottom-up knowledge sharing. These success factors also ensures that knowledge is continuously updated and applied to solve problems and optimize processes. As noted by Likert in 2004, in the Toyota Way, Kaizen served as a powerful tool for embedding KM into the company's DNA. The next success factor is technology integration. Toyota Motors Enterprise Resources Planning, ERP system, simulation tools, and digital platforms are some of the ways the company helps to share knowledge around the world. This tool allows Toyota to collect data, analyze it, and share it immediately for wise decision making and smooth teamwork. In this regard, AI tool helps understand how well production is working, while IoT devices help different parts of the supply chain communicate easily. The fourth success factor of knowledge management in Toyota Motors is effective leadership. Executive and managers model behaviors that show the importance of continuous learning and collaboration. Its leaders also stress long-term thinking. KM initiatives are not only focused on short-term profit but are in line with the company's larger goal. The leaders also invest in training and development programs in order to equip the employees with the necessary skill and knowledge. The next success factors of knowledge management in Toyota Motors is standardization and knowledge transfer. The ability to standardize process across the operation while allowing for local customization has been a critical factor in its KM success. Standardized procedure guarantee consistency and efficiency, while the flexibility to adapt this standard to local conditions guarantees innovation and relevance. Knowledge transfer occurs in formal and informal ways, such as training program, mentoring, and global knowledge sharing platforms. The last success factors of knowledge management in Toyota Motors is commitment to long-term relationship. The collaborative attitude with its suppliers, sometimes referred to as the Toyota Supplier Network, allows sharing best practice and innovation. Toyota supplier networks allow sharing best practice and innovation. This collaborative mindset will guarantee that knowledge is smoothly transmitted between Toyota and its external partners for growth and mutual success. Toyota has devised a sound framework for KM that innovates, gain efficiency, and achieve long-term strategic objectives.
Next, we move to the benefits KM in the Toyota company. First, improve efficiency and quality control. Toyota KM practice including the Toyota Production System, enhance operational efficiencies and quality control. Features like JIT, Jidoka, and the Ender system help identify and resolve production issues quickly, ensuring high quality output and waste reductions. Second is better decision making and innovations. Data-driven KM tools such as AI and predictive analytics enable informed decision making and foster innovations. This had led to revolutions products like the Prius hybrids and Mirai hydrogen fuel cell cars to maintaining Toyota competitive edge. Third benefit is enhanced global collaborations. Toyota KM system, such as the Toyota Knowledge Management Global Networks, facilitate real-time sharing of knowledge across its global networks. This ensures consistencies in operations while accommodating regional needs and strengthening the supply chains. Lastly, benefit is enhanced customer certification and resilience. By leveraging customer feedback and market insights, Toyota tailor its product to local preference, improving customer trust and certifications. Its KM strategies also supports adaptability to industry changes, ensuring long-term competitiveness and resilience.
Challenge in implementing and maintaining KM at Toyota. As the one of worldwide global company, Toyota has faced so much challenge in order to keep themselves at the top company, especially in automotive industry. Culture differ across region. One of the challenge to maintain the knowledge management system is to surmount culture difference across its global operation. With so many corporation with so many companies being operating in different regions, there are so many unique culture norms, communication style, and work practice being practiced by this company. This culture may affect the sharing, receipt, and utilization of knowledge within the organization. Technological challenge. Due to new tools and technology being introduced, this system, which include a platform for knowledge sharing and data management, require a huge investment and infrastructure and training. By incorporating technology like AI, IoT, and big data, the system have become more complex. For example, ensuring that this digital tools work smoothly across Toyota large network of factories, suppliers, and employees has meant overcoming technical issues with compatibility and data integration. While this investment made Toyota KM system more efficient and scalable, the rapid pace of technology advancement means the company must keep going in adapting and innovative to stay ahead. Data overload. The Toyota needs to face a challenge where they need to collect a lot of data from different resources like production lines, supply chains, customer feedback, and market trends. By managing all this data and using it to make a decision is not an easy task. This risks too much of data overwhelming employees and causing problem if it's not properly sorted and analyzed. Even though Toyota use advanced tools like AI to help, it's still hard to make sure the right insights are found and shared with the right people at the time. Toyota needs to balance collecting enough data with focusing on what really matters. This will help turn the data into useful insight that lead to innovation and improvement. Resistant to change. Toyota faced resistance to change when trying to use KM practices, especially because of its large company. Even though Toyota has encouraged improvement and Kaizen, Some workers don't want to change the way they share information. This resistance can come from employee who don't want to share their knowledge, or from the manager who are not ready to invest in new technology. To deal with this, Toyota needs to have a strong leader who can explain the benefit of KM clearly and listen to employee concern. Although Toyota is trying to create a more flexible and open culture, getting past this resistance to change is still a big challenge for keeping its knowledge management system working well. Another challenge is knowledge retention and transfer. Toyota needs to keep available knowledge and making sure it's shared across the team, department, and generation. As there's a employee who retire or leave, they take years of experience and knowledge with them. This knowledge is hard to capture and share because it's not always easy to write down. To tackle this, Toyota has created mentorship program, internal knowledge sharing platform, and documentation of best practice. However, despite this effort, sharing this type of knowledge effectively remains a challenge for any growing company with a diverse workforce. Balancing global consistency with local adaptation. Toyota needs to keep its knowledge management practice consistent worldwide while also making adjustments for local needs. While standardized the system like Toyota production system are important for efficiency, each region has its own unique challenge. For example, customer preference, local rules, and economic condition often need different approach for product development and service delivery. Toyota has found ways to adjust its KM practice to suit local needs, but balancing this with a global strategy is not an easy task. Plans for knowledge management at Toyota. As Toyota looks to the future, its knowledge management strategy will evolve into the rapid pace of technology advancement and increasing the complexity of the global automotive industry. Emerging these technologies such as AI, IoT, and advancement in sustainable mobility will play a crucial role in shaping Toyota's knowledge management approach. Leveraging emerging technology for KM. Toyota is using technologies to improve its knowledge management practice. AI and machine learning will help analyze data from cars, factories, and customer interaction to make a better decision. IoT will connect systems in factories and supply chain to share data in real time and update knowledge across the company. As Toyota works on self-driving cars and sustainable mobility, it will need to update its knowledge management practice by using this technology in knowledge management system. Toyota can keep its knowledge up to date and stay flexible with industry change. Maintaining competitive advantage through knowledge management. Toyota has decided to keep core knowledge principles like Kaizen, there is a continuous improvement and knowledge sharing, but it also needs to embrace new technology and sharing market needs. Global collaboration will continue to be a key part of its knowledge strategy, especially as the company grows in market and work towards sustainability goals. Toyota wants to use knowledge management to drive innovation in both in product and internal process. By making sure important knowledge is available at all levels, Toyota can improve efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. New talent development and digital literacy. Toyota knows that success in knowledge management effort depends on having the right talent with right skill and mindset. The company plans to invest in training program focused on knowledge sharing, digital skill, and adaptability to help employees handle the challenge of the modern automotive industry. Toyota's future knowledge management strategy will also focus on creating an innovative and collaboration culture that encourage employees to share ideas and insight, shaping the company's future.
In the conclusions, KM knowledge management has been an important role in Toyota leadership in the auto industry, driving efficiency, quality, and competitiveness through practice like lean manufacturing, TPS and Kaizens. Challenges and solution in Toyota. Toyota has overcome KM challenges including cultural difference, data overload and resistance to change through strong leadership and investment in technology and talent. Feature of KMs. Toyota plan to integrate advanced technologies such as AI, IoT, and sustainable mobility into KM's system to enhance data management and internal collaborations. Long-term success. Toyota effective KM integration set as the benchmark for other organizations, enhancing its role in sustaining innovation and competitiveness.